Hi friends, thank you for coming to my channel. Today the today the problem is union of two arrays where x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and 6 and y is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, and the union of two arrays is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5 comma 6, which there is if there is any common values like 4 comma 5 comma 6 and 4 comma 5 comma 6, it is not considered. It will the union won't contain the duplicates. It is a union. Let's to get the output. There is brute force approach and optimal approach and time complexity. Now I am discussing about the brute force approach, which is where x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 6, and y is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. This is okay. Now the brute force approach is nothing but the converting this x into the set and this y into the set. If in this example I am not taken any duplicate values, that's why the set will become the 1 comma 2 comma as it is and y will become as it is. Then the combination of two arrays, it will become the output of the union. Yes, isn't it? Because why I am saying is, if there is any set values like common values like 4 comma 5 comma 6, then it will become it won't contain the duplicates. This is a set specialty. Okay, now I'm coming to the this is the optimal method. Why we are it is a brute force method, not optimal method. So I am going into the optimal method to decrease the time complexity and space complexity. The process is okay. Okay, I am taking in this, I am taking two pointers, which is I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. Okay, I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, and I will take one temporary array to store the values, which is answer values. Okay, okay, coming to the values, this is the I value and this is the j value. Here I am taking values like I and j to understand briefly. Okay, initial where I equal to where array of I, this is the array of I and this is the array of j. Okay, now I is in the first place, 0th index, 2 3 4 5 6, 0th index, where 0th index it is the 1 and next value is the 4, jth value is the 4. See here the comparing with 2 1, array of I is less than array of j, so one should store into the answer. Before storing in the answer, we should check whether the 1 is present in the answer or not. Answer or not. There is no 1, so I am storing here. And next j will become j plus 1. J will become j plus 1, which is 1. It will go into the 1's place. This is the 1, this is the 2, this is the okay, this is the wrong values. Okay, next it will came here. Next this is the 2. Next iteration 2 comma 4, which is small, 2 is small, so I am storing 2 here. Before entering pushing the 2, we should check the 2 is present in the answer or not. Okay, now I am going into the j is I equal to I plus 1, because I have stored, so I is equal to I plus 1, which is 2, and this is the third 3 and this is a 4, which is small, 3 is a small, so I am entering in the 3. And next coming to the 4 the two are equal, 4 comma 4 and 4 comma 4. Array of I and array of j, they are same, that's why I am pushing array of I, which is 4, and this cannot contain the 4 in the answer. And next coming to the now the problem is the condition is I will become I plus 1 and j will become j plus 1. Then here it will be 5. Next also there is the same values, so I will become I plus 1, it will store 5, and j is equal to j plus 1, j is equal to j plus 1, and 6 is also same value. So here is also it will become 5, it will become 4 and it will store the value. Next, the remaining value is 7 comma 8. So store the 7 comma 8. If there is any 2 comma 3 or something else, any values is present in the first array, then also it will store here if there is any duplicate values. Okay, this is the final output. This is the optimal method. Let's go into the next code implementation. Okay, equal to 0 and j equal to 0, and I will take one temporary value, which is answer is equal to empty array. Now while I will write while condition, because we don't know how much length is there, how much range is there. That's why we are choosing while condition. While I less than len of x and j less than len of y. Okay, if this condition, then I will check if condition. If array of I not equal to answer of I. Why we are answer of -1? Why we are choosing -1 means, for example, the array is here. This is the -1 value. If -1 not equal means we should push into the value. So that's why I am using, and I am using or condition or not answer. Not answer will return the false condition. If there is an empty array, it will return. Okay, in this condition I will append answer dot append array of I. Okay, that's it, and I will become I plus plus in. Okay, next else condition. If array of j is answer of -1, okay, or not of ans, then it will return. Okay, I append answer of array of j. Okay, and j will become j plus plus, and the continuation is I will take one more while contain I less than len of x, and I will write the same code as this. Okay, this condition I will store this, because okay, here it will come, and the next one more while I take, which is while j less than len of x, it will return I plus plus. It is here I plus plus, and I will copy the which is here. Sorry, I want to copy this because same code. That's it. Finally I will return the answer. That is the code. Okay, don't worry, I will keep the code Java and Python in the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video.